Watu ni viongozi wametoka Lugari, kuna wengine tuko timu moja, lakini mimi nitanena machache. First of all, I would like to announce officially that have defected from ANC party as deputy party leader and member of parliament of Lugari, and have joined DAP in the same capacity as the deputy party leader to carry on with the activities of the political parties of the Mulembe nation under the leadership of Wamunyinyi, Mheshimiwa Eugene, and Mheshimiwa Eseli. We will work as a team. Today I held a meeting with the family and the people of Lugari from morning up to 2 o'clock, and they have endorsed my wishes that I'll be gunning for the seat of Governor Kakamega under DAP party, which is under Azimio. These facts are informed by the idea that the activities that are going on in ANC favors a formation that leans towards the deputy president of this country called William Samoei Ruto. You know very well, from my house in Karen is 7 minutes to Ruto's house. From my house in Lugari is 7 minutes to Ruto's house in Sugoi. But my decision, I want to support Azimio la Umoja through DAP so that Raila Amolo Odinga can become the 5th president of the Republic of Kenya. And this is the way, the route I have taken. From 15th of next month, I will invite the leadership of DAP in Lugari, and I'll be in my constituency in Lugari and Kakamega County continuously for 2 weeks to market this party and erase any madoadoa of ANC because they are headed to Tanga. It was my wish, after having spoken to my party leader, immediate former party leader Mudavadi'S, that you join hands with Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga so that the Luhya community can be in the next government. Have suffered a lot. The people of Lugari have suffered a lot. We have been in the opposition for 5 years. My fellow Kenyans, when I won the Lugari parliamentary seat in 2013, we signed an agreement with Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, who is the current president, under TNA. We were on UDF ticket. I was made the chairman of Agriculture Committee. Later on, I relinquished because of conflict of interest. I was in the government. I managed to build Lugari Diploma Teachers Training College in Lugari under the government, Uhuru government. I managed to establish Maturu National Polytechnic, benefiting the people of Lugari. I managed to set up KMTC Lugari because I was in the government. For the last 5 years, I've been in ANC. We have not done any tangible development for the Lugari people because of staying in the opposition. I want to be in the government. I want to form the Kakamega government. I want my people to be in the next government. And the next government will be formed by Azimio la Umoja under President Raila Amolo Odinga. There is no doubt. Tanga is my neighbor. I know the behaviors of my neighbor better than you people. That is the truth. Who understands the other better? You understand your neighbor better. Tanga is my neighbor. And I gave a notice to my party leader, Musalia Mudavadi. And I told him, if you want to operate with Tanga, please release me. Release me. I want to go and operate with people who are going to form the next government. I don't want to be in opposition. If Musalia used to be in the opposition and he is used to those activities, I have no problem with him. I wish him well. He has been there for 10 years. Let him continue being there for another 10 years. Because if you vote in, let's just do a calculation. If you vote in Ruto today as a president, Musalia, you are 62 years. My senior brother, 62 years. Ruto is 56 years. After 10 years, you'll be 70 what? 70? 72. Musalia would have inherited the suicidal supporters of Raila Amolo Odinga, because we believe Raila will run one term. He has left this game to youthful guys, me and Eugene Wamalwa, and we will fight this battle to ensure that we deliver for Raila. Lastly, the issue of zoning. And I'm here and I've come with conditions. I spoke to Baba yesterday, last night. I've spoken to the Secretary General of the party today, Secretary General of Jubilee, Tuju, Raphael Tuju, and I said, what we shall agree in this kind of arrangement is DAP will run candidates direct up to the general election, but under Azimio. We support Baba and Azimio. But DAP, we must have our own candidates from MCA, MP, Senator, Governor. Then the president, we leave it to Raila Amolo. That is a condition. And we are going to sign a coalition agreement based on those conditions. And if Baba is in agreement with that, we are ready to support him 100%. Leave ODM in Western, sisi tutanyoroshana. Wacha ANC kuje, because I'm telling you the truth, my brothers. Huwezi ingia kwa siasa kama unajua unaenda kuanguka. Sasa niwaulize. Number 1, in the next general election atakuwa nani? Nyinyi mkiangalia, nyinyi wenyewe na kichwa yako, nani atakuwa number 1? Haya, number 2? Number 3? Others. Okay. Siasa nimeambia Musalia, siasa haina number 2 na number 3. Siasa ina number 1. Finally, what made me join this party, it has opened doors. Anyone who is wishing to contest on this ticket as a sitting member of parliament, we have agreed na Mheshimiwa party leader, Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa na Mheshimiwa Eseli. Anyone who is joining and is a sitting member of parliament, is a sitting senator, is a sitting MCA, will get direct nomination. That is what you attract people to that party. The rest will do free and fair nominations. This is the party that will control Western Kenya, and we'll bargain. We'll lose our numbers as MPs. We'll use our numbers as governors. We'll use our numbers as MCAs. Under leadership of Eugene, Eseli, Wamunyinyi and me, to negotiate with Raila. Who is going to become the CS from the Luo community? Who is going to become an ambassador from the Luo community? Who is going to be a PS from the Luo community? Then the rest of the country, the people who support us from the rest of the country, we also include in that. But we must start with a region. A region. Tumekubaliana hapo? Nimeongea mabaya ama nimeongea mazuri? Mazuri. Mazuri. Na mimi nimesema family imenikaribisha na tutatengeneza mkutano, mama apike ugali nyumbani na hii timu yote. Mimi kama resource ninazo. Hii wacha watu waenda kuchukua sugoi milioni 2, milioni 3. Me have money, Kakamega tuonane nao. Tuonane nao ndio wakubali Yesu ni Bwana. Na mimi ni mtoto wa pastor. Sina maneno na mtu. Tukutane tu kwa debe. Mimi naenda mpaka kwa debe, na today I'm receiving my certificate. Na saa hii natengenezwa deputy party leader. Sasa nimepoteza nini sasa? 18 years as a news editor. My friend, sasa vitu gani mtaniambia? Yes. Sasa tuko sawa sawa. Na kwa hayo mengi sana, wangapi wamenikaribisha kwa hii chama ya DAP? Sasa hiyo ndio earthquake. Ile nyingine si earthquake. Ile nyingine sasa huyu Musalia akaenda kwa debe. Sasa Musalia akifika kwa debe. Mimi hata saa hii nimefika 40 years. Mimi naambia Savula, toka kwa hii kiti ya Lugari tuachie vijana kwa sababu niko 40. Na mimi sasa mimi nitaambia Musalia after 10 years. Na wewe songa kando, tuachie Eugene Wamalwa na hii tuendelee the youth, tuweke youth mbele. Na ningeomba hii chama, let us embrace the youth. Hawana pesa ya kusimama, let's support them. Na mimi Kakamega County muniachie. Kwa hiyo mengi sana, hata rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya anajua mimi niko hapa Azimio. Mtu mwenye ajui siko hapa ni Musalia, lakini nilimpatia kwa heri. Nikamwambia wewe shika barabara ya Sugoi. Na mimi wacha nishike barabara ya Azimio. Alafu tuone nani atashinda. Sasa kama ulipata 483 votes last election na umepoteza Savula na Savula yuko karibu na zake pale, sisi reduce. You don't stand for a political seat to go in the opposition. Hakuna number 2 kwa siasa. I'm telling you Musali. Hakuna number 3 kwa siasa. Iko number 1 na mimi nitakuwa number 1 Kakamega. Asante sana. Party leader take over.
Thank you.